my walks in paradise. Today we're taking a different mode of transportation, coming across the Imperial River here now, and on our way down to Bonita Beach to check on Tropical Storm Elsa. It is currently 1:58 p.m. Temperature is 75 degrees, and the wind speeds are starting to gradually pick up. As I've gotten closer here to the coastline, definitely the rain is picking up. I apologize, I don't have a mount for my vehicle, but it's better than nothing, right? Coming on Bonita Beach Road here. Apologize for the video quality, or if I don't get the best shot, because I am not focused on the camera. There's a lot of water on the roads right now, so safety is my number one concern. But when we get down to the beach, should get a little better footage. Away from Barefoot Beach, and then as you head on down, there'll be Bonita Beach, Lover's Key, which is also where the Dog Beach is, and then Fort Myers Beach. Did see some squalls coming in, which is why I headed over here right now. So we're starting to get into the thicker part of it. Just to our east, over east and south of here, Immokalee had a tornado warning, and I believe the warning extended further north as well. But that's still a little ways from here, but that's also a real possibility today. Hopefully we can catch a water spout on camera. Good thing is, coming up here, the speed limit's getting a lot slower too, so it will be easier. The boat I was on in the video the other day came from the place that we just passed here. One of my buddies is part of the boat club there. Great restaurant here on the right, Coconut Jack's. Highly recommend. Food there is exceptional, and the ambiance, the view, you're right on the bay. It is a nice little spot. And that is Barefoot Beach we just passed, and now Bonita Beach is right here. Stock's Beach House on the left. walk down it for a little while if I can. There's no lightning in the area currently, but I don't have much time either, so that video might be a short one. So to the left is the ocean, just behind these beautiful mansions. And this is where I live, y'all. It's like the beach accesses are all open and available to me. This is good. Be able to check a few different spots. And I'm always a fan of free parking, so anywhere I can get the free parking, it's a good thing. Roads are starting to have a lot of ponding on them. It can get holding a little phone. Now, Elsa is just off the shoreline here. It's starting to get closer to us. Those outer bands are what we're seeing here. But it's actually getting very close now, so it's just